குட்டீஸ், வெல்கம் டு பிரியாஸ் கிட்ஸ் டைரி. இந்த வீடியோ இப்பதான் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பாக்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பக்கத்துல இருக்க ஆல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Hi குட்டீஸ், today we draw a Pongal pot. I'm drawing a sugar can. Next I'm drawing a clouds with the sun.
And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Now we draw decorations. Come on, draw with me.
Old MacDonald had a farm, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep.
Hey, it's time to color. Sky blue.
Here and there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yellow. Brown. Green. Dark green.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Brown.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yellow. Sky blue.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Red.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Orange.
T, U, V,
Purple.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Orange.
me?
Red. Pink. Green.
C, D, E, F, G,
Pink.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Peacock green.
T, U, V,
Orange.
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Yellow.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Hey, we draw the Pongal pot. Okay, cuties, we will see you next